Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn about skull from lesson 7, the skeletal system. You can feel your skull by pushing on your head, especially in the back a few inches above your neck. The skull is a bone structure of the head. The skull is actually made up of different bones. Some of these bones protect your brains, whereas others make up the structure of your face. The adult human head is made up of 22 bones, which are divided into two parts: the skull, which is made up of 8 flat bones, and the face, which is made up of 14 bones. The skull is made up of 8 fused flat bones. Flat bones are typically thin, flattened, and slightly curved. They can provide extensive protection like a shield. The skull performs many vital functions. The skull protects the most important part of all, the brain. It also provides supports and protection to the head's soft tissues. Our face is made up of 14 bones, which protects the eyes, nose, and tongue. If you touch beneath your eyes, you can feel the ridge of the bone that forms the hole where your eye sits. Several sensory structures such as the eyes, ears, nose, and mouth are the part of the facial skeleton. The facial skeleton serves to protect the sense organs of smell, sight, and taste, and provide a frame on which the soft tissues of the face can act to help eating, facial expression, breathing, and speech. Function of facial skeleton also include fixing the distance between the eyes and fixing the position of the ears to enable the direction and distance of sounds. The skull also contains the sinuses. Sinuses are air-filled cavity which help to warming and moistening of air inhaled via nose. There is only one bone in the skull that is movable, and it is the lower jaw bone, but not the upper jaw. The lower jaw is the only bone which is not fused together like skull bones and other facial bones. Lower jaw is separated from the other part of the skull. That is why your lower jaw bone is the only bone in your head you can move. It opens and closes to let you talk and chew food. The facial skeleton does not include the teeth and the cartilage of the nose. Let me conclude today's explanation with this fact. Although you can't see it, the smallest bone in your whole body is in your head too. The stirrup bone behind your eardrum is only 2.5 to 3.3 millimeters. Learning objective of this video is what is skull and importance of skull in the skeletal system. Thank you, students. I hope now you understood how important it is to take good care of your head. Bye and have a good day.